The indefinite protest for seat extension of Difu Government College continued today also here on Saturday. The Difu Gov College Students Union Society, Karbi Student Associations and many social organizations continue to protest for admissions at Difu Gov College Gate. As the authority has not responded to the grievances of the students, the General Secretary of Karbi Students Associations, Mr. Thang Sing Timung, asserted that strategy of the protest will be different on Monday. Also, he appealed the students to cooperate in the new strategic protest which is to be carried out on Monday. Now we have to wait and watch what different strategy that students' body is preparing. Let's listen in what he had to say.
Apu hingdo dak aji mapu. Lasin ni pri chok alo pini. Nilike direct si pulo ni pri chok alo pini. Ni pri ke chok pen thang ala ma bepilang. Mandia ni lang ding oi nang tum sisik ding oi. Mandia ni lang ding mo itum kaci song lar vek nang ji. Halaso kaci song ke lar long banggoan lo nang cito dung hai nari cidung ma. Nilisi ka ning jelo mande ben ke kaci song lar vek po. Halaso ke lar long nang itum ang tin kon si thelo. Cetek long ponon. Mandia ni cetek long po la poan si itum claim nang. Ba prek jeng nang social media long si kaning je ilitum kaitan ilitum han ke isibak activities de lopong de intelligent virus and funang lele nuwetala bangso lam ning je de lo funang le mune je nang tumpilo mande claim po kelaki o dukuri bong kuri ma chede nang la vek po whatever activities ki deng hedi whatever activities ki deng itum intelligent virus and funang le vek non kini social media lo sing je anta itum panang blame ri itum ni phike dake insam jin mas ke song. You government, you the college authority compel us to go us to the extreme movement. Itum alang tumsi itum pan la an akeng kam nang pachejor nang koklo. La si claim nang mandia ni.
Long live! Long live! Long live! No admission! No risk! No admission! No risk! CDCS, long live! Long live! Long live! CDCS, long live! Long live! Long live! And get Sarma, go back! Go back! Go back!